guys, it's me, Miss T. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make personal stickers using your Samsung Galaxy Note20 Ultra 5G. So to begin with, decide kung anong design or kung anong image ang gusto niyong gawin as a sticker. For me, I decided that I want to make a sticker of my pet, Fifi. So I will just open an image that I already have from my gallery. This is her photo. Isn't she pretty? So after choosing your image, tap on the edit icon here, which is the pencil-like thing there. And you'll get to have these 5 different cropping options. So what we want to do is to tap on this lasso tool and select manually. Using your stylus pen, start tracing the outside outline of the image that you want to use as a sticker. So for me, I'm going to just trace Fifi's body, but it's entirely up to you. And guys, when you're starting to create your stickers, do it slowly so you'll have a more neat and pretty looking stickers. Just for the purpose of this video, I'm doing it rather quickly. So after choosing or outlining the form that you want as a part of your sticker, just tap on the apply button or apply icon or the check mark over there, which meant you're done. So that's my sticker. Because I don't want to erase the original photo, what I'm going to do is just click on these 3 dots to get more options and click on save a copy. Otherwise, you can just save it directly. So I'm just going to click on that, tap on that, and save a copy. If I don't have or you don't have the image that you want as a sticker and you want to get it from the internet, go to the browser. For me, I chose a flower. So I would love to have this rose, red rose, as a sticker. I'll tap on that. And to save it in my gallery, I'll just hold the image for a few seconds and you will have these options. So I'll just tap on save image and automatically you will have this image in your gallery. Now I will open that image from the gallery and again open it and choose the edit icon over here, and the same thing, choose the lasso tool, select manually, and again let's do the tracing. You know guys, this is also a good therapy for you because when you're doing it and when you're doing it in a serious way, so you can come out with a neat sticker, it's a form of concentration. You get to focus. So it's also a therapy and you bring out your artistic side too. So I'll just tap on this check mark here, which meant apply or done, and there you have it. You have your very own red rose sticker. So I'm gonna save that. And to show you how I can use these stickers, I'm actually editing a video for this tutorial. So I already made the title of this tutorial here. So I'm gonna redo it for you guys. So I'll tap on this icon, plus icon, which meant I want to add something, so I'll just add a blank canvas over there. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how I will add the sticker. Click on this image. I'm not gonna use this ones that I made earlier. I'll tap on add, and I'll get this rose, the one that we just did, and I will get Fifi's sticker too. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to enlarge Phoebe, and I'm going to put the rose in her mouth like so, as if she's carrying a red rose between her teeth. So here you will see I've done it. And if you like play the video, it's there. So cute, right? And you can use this on your videos. And add a text and say, I love you, mommy. Oh, sorry about that, guys. There. I love you, mommy. And of course, from this app, which is called InShot, which I regularly use to edit my videos, this is what the app that I use in editing my videos and my vlogs, as well as Filmora. I'm going to add a sticker which is already there, provided by the app. Let's say I want to put a heart there, and there you have it. Let's play it. Ain't it cute? So there you have it, guys. I hope you like this video, and I hope that you learned something new today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And for those of you who haven't subscribed yet to the channel, click on that subscribe button and the notification bell to get the latest on my video uploads. Thank you guys for watching, and always remember, whatever you're going through, life is terrific. So keep smiling. Ciao!